The Gloriosa lily, scientifically known as Gloriosa rothschildiana, is a stunning and exotic flowering plant that adds a touch of tropical beauty to any garden or balcony. If you're interested in cultivating Gloriosa lilies in containers, this video will provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to do so successfully. Selecting the right pot. When growing Gloriosa lilies in pots, it's crucial to choose a container that is large enough to accommodate the plant's growth. Select a pot with a diameter of at least 12 inches, 30 centimeters, and a depth of 12 to 16 inches, 30 to 40 centimeters. Ensure that the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and promote healthy root development. Soil mix. Gloriosa lilies thrive in well-draining soil. Create a suitable soil mix by combining equal parts of garden soil, peat moss, and perlite or coarse sand. This mixture provides the necessary drainage while retaining enough moisture for the plant's roots. Planting Gloriosa lily bulbs. Plant the Gloriosa lily bulbs in early spring or early summer, depending on your climate. Before planting, soak the bulbs in water for a few hours to hydrate them. Dig a hole in the pot that is approximately 3 inches, 8 centimeters, deep. Place the bulb horizontally in the hole with the growing tip facing upwards. Gently cover the bulb with soil, leaving the tip exposed. Sunlight and temperature. Gloriosa lilies require plenty of sunlight to thrive. Place your pots in a location that receives full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. However, ensure that the plants are protected from intense midday sunlight, especially during hot summers. The ideal temperature range for Gloriosa lilies is between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Watering. Maintain consistent soil moisture for Gloriosa lilies. Water the pots thoroughly when the top inch, 2.5 centimeters, of soil feels dry. Avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can cause bulb rot. During the active growing season, increase watering frequency, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil evenly moist. Climbing support. Gloriosa lilies are climbing plants and require support as they grow. Install a trellis, stakes, or a bamboo frame in the pot to provide a structure for the vines to cling onto. Secure the vines to the support system gently using soft twine or plant ties. Fertilization. Feed your Gloriosa lilies with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the proper dilution and application rate. This regular fertilization will promote healthy growth and abundant flowering. Overwintering. In regions with cold winters, Gloriosa lilies are typically grown as tender bulbs. As winter approaches, allow the foliage to die back naturally. Once the leaves have turned yellow, stop watering the plant. Carefully dig up the bulbs and store them in a cool, dry location for the winter. Before the next growing season, replant the bulbs following the previous steps. Growing Gloriosa lilies in pots is a rewarding experience that allows you to showcase the beauty of these exotic flowers even in limited space. By following the guidelines provided in this comprehensive guide, you'll be well equipped to cultivate healthy and vibrant Gloriosa lilies in your own container garden. Enjoy the stunning blooms and the tropical charm they bring to your outdoor living space.